Hey everyone, I know it's been quite a while since I've had content for you, but welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because we have a special unboxing video for girls hair accessories that I purchased on Shein. My daughter is 4 years old and goes to preschool, and as small children typically do, sometimes while playing they might lose their hair accessories. The prices on these hair bows, ties, and clips are very economical and still very cute, so you won't feel bad when your child loses or damages their hair bows at school. Anyway, let me just remove all of these accessories from the package, lay all of them out on our blanket, and get a bit organized so that we can dive right in and start looking at these cute, affordable hair bows that I bought for my daughter. I am so excited, and I hope you all are too. My daughter has a growing collection of little tiny hair accessories, and I thought what might be useful to stay organized is to look for a storage container. While looking around on Shein, I found this cute little plastic organizer with a bow decoration on the front. It doesn't look like a large enough container to hold larger hair bows, but I think it'd be perfect for small clips, hair ties, and perhaps small hair bows. Let's get this opened up and assembled. Okay, that's what it looks like, except that I'm holding it upside down. I'm so clumsy. Let's open it up. You have to give the bow a little twist to open and lock it. Looks like the handle is inside too. As you can see, it has 3 tiers for storage, perfect for smaller accessories. Maybe a couple of larger bows or scrunchies could fit in the bottom. This is such an adorable and fun case to store things in. Okay, let's put the handle on the case. And that's what it looks like with the handle attached. Next, we are opening up these little pom-pom hair ties. These are really super fluffy and cute, and they come in a variety of colors. Let me give you an up-close look at the texture and colors. Looks like there's 2 of each color. Next, we are opening up this rainbow glittery hair tie with a hair bow attached to it. This is really very pretty, and it's unique because it's a hair tie with a bow instead of a hair bow with a clip. I bought another one just like this, except the color is pink. Let's open that one right now. Next up, we have a package of these little hair ties that come in a variety of colors and have different characters on them, like unicorns and mermaids. I love having a lot of hair ties like this on hand, just perfect for adding a bit of pop to a simple ponytail or a braid. Let me take these out and I'll show you some of the characters. These are really cute, and the bands look really soft and gentle for hair. Next up is this package of colorful hair clips. The hair clips are filled with glitter. I'll show you after I open this up. The clips are very colorful, and I do believe there are 2 of each color in the package. Here we are. That's what they look like. See the little sparkles inside? Let me show you a few of the others. All right, now let's take a look at these sequin butterfly hair ties. It comes in this cute package. Would probably be a cute gift for a little girl. Looks like I accidentally bought a second one, but no doubt I'll definitely get a lot of use out of all of these. Oh wow, aren't these stunning? They are so shimmery and vibrant. They come in a variety of colors and it looks like there are 2 of each color. I also found this cute pastel unicorn hair extension accessory for my daughter so that she can have magical unicorn hair. That's what it looks like. Not bad. I think I paid around $1 for it. I bought some other hair extensions too. Blue for when my daughter is ready to unleash her inner snow queen. Pink because Aurora is her favorite. And purple, I can't really think of a reason, but it was pretty. Let me just show you. Again, they weren't expensive at all, just perfect for dress up or pretend play. I think this bejeweled hair clip is a super cute touch and the hair looks like it's ombre. Let me show you the other ones. They are the same product except different colors. Now I'm opening this hair tie with a ball on it. I can't remember what these are called, but I had some of these when I was a kid, and some of you all probably remember having hair ties like this too. It's a bit nostalgic, and these are really cute. One thing I do notice is how large the band is. That's what it looks like up close. It has sparkles inside. Now we have this really cute hair tie which looks like a panda. This is so adorable and unique. I also bought another one similar to this except it's a cat. Okay, and this is the cat one. I also purchased these unicorn hair bows. It comes as a set of two. One is pink and the other is tie-dye. Surprisingly, they are fairly large and look like good quality. You can see it has a flower detail, a glittery horn, and the unicorn's eyes printed on it. This is the tie-dye one. This one looks like the pink one, except just a different color. I also bought a mermaid hair bow. This is just one piece. There we go, pretty cute. This is just that duplicate box of hair ties that I opened earlier where I bought an extra by accident. I'm going to open it anyway because why not? And ta-da, it's the same. And last but not least, we have a pack of assorted large hair bows. I like to have a variety of colors on hand, so let's open and see. And as you can see, they are pretty big and they don't really look half bad just for everyday wear. I'm not sure how well they will hold up though. Let me show you some of the different colored bows in the package. Thank you all for joining. I loved having you. I hope today's content was useful. The links to all the items are included in the description if you want to check those out. If you are interested in watching more content, please give a like and subscribe. See you all next time.